Let's talk some more about our COVID wastewater data and our switching contractors from Biobot Analytics to Verily and WastewaterSCAN. Biobot Analytics covered all 50 states with over 400 wastewater facilities, representing greater than 250 counties and 60 million people. When Verily dramatically underbid Biobot Analytics, and then subsequently worked with WastewaterSCAN to take over that program, or I should say to take over the 5-year contract that they won, which brings us to the current time where WastewaterSCAN only covers 40 states with 194 wastewater facilities, representing 207 counties and around 39 million people. This means that 10 states are not represented in COVID monitoring. I highlighted the states in red here on the Verily map. They include Rhode Island, South Carolina, Missouri, Oklahoma, New Mexico, Arizona, Wyoming, North Dakota, Montana, and Oregon. This also represents a loss of 206 wastewater facilities from what we had prior, a loss of 43 counties, and approximately 21 million less people are represented. Where I'm pulling this data from WastewaterSCAN itself and Biobot Analytics blog and About Me, both here and here. An additional thing that I find concerning that I can't really find more information about is this last line in WastewaterSCAN's About Me, where it says that Verily funded WastewaterSCAN philanthropically through a gift to Stanford University. I don't really understand what this means, because Verily is being contracted to do our wastewater data, and they're leaning heavily on WastewaterSCAN to do this, which would imply some sort of contractor-subcontractor relationship, which makes me very confused at what this means when it says Verily funded philanthropically through a gift.